Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're going to do the YNW Melly type beat. So it's going to be based off the one song he had with Kanye, Mixed Personalities, you know what I mean? And I know some of you guys also voted for a Juice WRLD type beat, but I'll probably also do that. So I'm just going to let you guys hear the beat and then I'm going to get into it.
I thought it was beautiful.
Okay, so the chord progression is essentially the same chord progression as in Mixed Personalities, which is, you know, how you get the mood of your song, like I've been trying to say. So the chord progression is 1 7 3 5. Yeah, 1 7 3 5. Okay, so let me explain that. So F, root note of the scale, F, E, 7 7, seventh note on the scale, 1 2 3 4 5, counting the first one. 3, A, and then this is actually C major with these notes inverted. So G and E, so the note is C, which is the 5. So 1 7 3 5. The only difference in this melody is these chords in that song are in G, but for this song I pitched it down to F because I felt like it. Okay, and then it's basically just this bell with an ARP on it. And that's, you can get it from this Omni Bank, but you don't even really need it. You can just, you know, finger piano, because this is like a very, it sounds kind of like In Memoriam, you know what I mean? But you can also go get the bank. I'm not trying to like hate on the bank or anything. And then it's just that same melody with a pad. The 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank. With just like a couple of the notes that are in the chord as well. And the first melody has a little bit of saturation on it. Second one doesn't, but it has some reverb. And it's got like some of the high end cut out, because this melody's, the first one is pretty high, you know what I mean, in terms of like the frequency, so I didn't want it to interfere. So let me just play what the melody sound like. Okay, and then so for the drums it's just simple like trap drums, I guess. 808. I don't know if in a YNW Melly type beat you would have the 808s like this high up and like, you know what I mean, this distorted, but I felt like it because I don't know, I kind of wanted like Juice WRLD 808s on this song. So kick, just basically follows the 808 with like a little bit of variation. Hi-hat. simple two-step with some rolls. Clap. Southside clap. Same, you know, like on the 3. Open hat. I don't think I even used the snare on this song. I guess I forgot. Oh, no. I remember. This is just for bounce. Just a little bit of, you know, this perk. This is just, you know, just to help it out a bit. Okay, so instead of a snare, I use this rim. That's what I did. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me try to make this beat a little bit more sounding like the original, so I'll pitch up this to G, the pad to G, and I'll change the 808 to like more of like a spins 808 type thing. Then pitch this up to G as well. Okay, let's see how that sounds. I don't know. So you can see why I chose it the original way. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see.